Namaste. Today's session I am going to create 3D models using Fusion 360. This is the simplest 3D model. By observing this, I start from top view. Here, top view is a rectangle of dimension 72 by 104. Create sketch, click on horizontal plane. Next, draw the rectangle, click on sketch dimension. This length is 72. This vertical length is 104. Finish sketch. Click on extrude feature. Extrude this by 48 dimension. Click on OK. Now I'm going to remove the material of sketch is like this. This I am going to create the sketch and removing the material of length 104 minus 24, that is 80 mm. Click on create sketch, select this space. Now I am going to create the profile. Start from this 48 length and down 16 is there. 16, then 24, extend downward, again 16, draw horizontal line and up to here. Then you connect from this end point to this end point. Click on finish sketch. Select extrude feature. Select this profile and show the opposite direction. Then removing the material of distance minus 80. Click on OK. See, this completes the 3D model. This is the next 3D model. See, here also I am going to start from top view. Top view as a rectangle of dimension 56 by 32. Then after that, I am going to draw these two rectangle of dimension 8 by 16 and one more rectangle opposite to this, that is also 16 by 8, and one more rectangle at the middle of dimension 16 by 12. All these rectangles I am going to draw first. As it is, I am going to select the create sketch, select horizontal plane. Now I am going to draw the rectangle. Start from origin, draw the rectangle, select sketch dimension. This length is 32. This horizontal length is 56. Now here I am going to draw this rectangle and this rectangle of dimension 16 by 8. Again select a rectangle, start from this origin and start from here also. Click on sketch dimension. This length is 16, 8, 16, 8, and one more rectangle at the middle. Here middle is there, that is 16 by 12. 12, 16, and dimension from here to here is 10, then 20 from this edge. Now this complete the sketch. Click on finish sketch. Select extrude option. Here I am going to extrude these two rectangles of length 20 mm. This as well as this length 20. Then just I am going to show the sketch. Then click on this of dimension 8. Click on OK. See now it's complete the uh, 3D model. This is the next 3D model. Here I am going to draw the first rectangle of length 90 and this length is 50. I am going to draw this rectangle first. 60 plus 30, 90, 30 plus 20, 50. Say, open the Fusion 360, click on sketch, horizontal plane, draw the rectangle, sketch dimension. It is 90, 50. Then after that, I'm going to draw the this rectangle of dimension 20 by 30. Then after that, I'm going to draw one more square of length 20 by 20. Click on from this and one more square. Join this. Give the dimension. This length is 30. This length is 20. Okay, na? This is 20. Already 20. If it is 30, then that is 20 is there. And I'm going to draw this rectangle of length 20 by 40. This is 20 is given here and 40, 20 by 40. Select the rectangle, draw from here, then show the dimension. This is 40 and 20. Okay. Now here one more rectangle I am going to draw 20 by 30. This rectangle 20 by 30. 20 by 30. Click on finish sketch. Now complete the sketch here. I will extrude individual rectangle here. First, I am going to extrude this rectangle of length how much? 20, 20, 40. Extrude this rectangle 40. Then here click on show sketch. Then click on extrude feature. This rectangle of height 20. Select this of height 20. Then this rectangle I will extrude of length 20 plus this 10, 30, 30. Then remaining this rectangle of height 10, 10. Okay, don't show sketch. See, this is the 3D model. This is the next 3D model. Here I will start from in this way. In this way. First, I'm going to draw this sketch. This sketch I'm going to draw it. Here, one rectangle is there of dimension 22 by 64, this rectangle. Next, one cutout is there here. This length is 30, then slope line 60 degrees given, 60 degree, and height of this cutout is 12 mm, and extrude this sketch for a distance of 100 mm. Okay, extrude this 100 mm. Select create sketch, profile plane. Now I am going to create the first rectangle of a dimension 64 and vertical distance 22. Select line, right? Roughly I am going to draw the cutout here. Give all dimensions 30. Distance from this point to this point is 17, and height 12, and angle of from here to 60, and remove the unwanted line here. This complete the sketch. Click on finish sketch. Hit the home icon. Extrude this for a distance 100. Now after this, here there is a rectangle is there, rectangle. Then extrude this for a distance 15 mm. Create sketch, just I rotate this. Select this face, draw the rectangle. 64, then distance from here to here is 75. Finish sketch, extrude, select. This is a minus 15. Extrude this at a distance of minus 15. Here chamfer is there. Chamfer at both side of distance 16 by 16. Modify chamfer. Select here type equal distance type. Select both edges. Distance 16. Click on OK. After this, here there is a rib is there at the middle of this part. At the rib is there, middle is there. Then distance of this is 70, and height is 40, and extrude for a distance of 12 mm. Okay, by doing this rib, I am going to insert the one reference plane. Click on construct tab, offset, offset of this plane, distance 32. Click on OK. Now select create sketch. Select this reference plane. You know, select this reference. Middle is there. This reference plane. Create the profile like this is there. Give all dimensions 70, 40, then distance from 22, 15, finish sketch, extrude, give symmetry, whole, select a whole length is a 12. Okay, hit home icon, See, this completes the 3D model.